We are in the agentic era. It's come. It's already here, and many people are using it, regardless of your business, of what you're doing. Everybody's using agents, AI, to improve their workflows and their overall performance. So, for those of you that are using a phone system, well, doesn't even fall short. You can still make use of the agents nowadays to improve your workflows. So in this video, we'll quickly take a look at how you can connect your phone system with an MCP, with your agents, to perform tasks. Well, in order to do that, you will need a compatible phone system. In this occasion, we're going to use Allo because it has a very easy to connect integration with Claude. So in 2-3 minutes, we can get set up and we can ask it to fetch conversation history. We can ask it to fetch call history to crunch that data, gather analytics, and overall help us improve as a salesperson, as a sales coach. It can be my own support analyst. I can have it be whatever I want. It really depends what your use case is, but the sky is the limit with these tools. You can turn Claude into pretty much whatever you want. And with just one prompt, you can do the work that months ago took maybe an entire afternoon, or maybe an entire week, or maybe more than one person. So let's just dive right in and look at how it looks like. So let's go ahead and open Allo. In Allo, you will need to create an API key. So we have a dedicated video on what API keys are, what you can use them for. But for the time being, I'm just going to spare you the details. Just simply create an API key. This is going to be my Claude connection API key. The scopes of the API key, so what tasks it's able to perform and what tasks it's not. I'm just going to give it access to everything because I want it to be as powerful as I can. No holding back whatsoever. Let's create the key. I'm going to actually copy it someplace safe. And now let's go back to Claude. So in Claude, I'm gonna have to go to customize and then connectors. So I'm gonna add a new connection. So I'm gonna click the plus icon, and this is very important. You need to add a custom connector. So this is gonna be my Allo connection. My OAuth client secret is the API key that I just created. And for the rest of the information, I simply have to go to Allo. I'm here in the Allo settings, integrations, Claude. And here I have all the information that I need. So the name must be Allo, so I'm just copying this. The remote server is this. And then my client ID goes in the OAuth client ID. And then I just add the connection. Then I have to click connect. It's going to open a new tab. Authorize. And we're good. So opening Claude. Allo is officially connected, and now I can use it for whatever I want. Let's say we're a little lost here. We just made the connection, so we want to know, okay, what is possible to do, really? Fetching stuff, it's kind of confusing. So let's just ask it. Can you give me a list of everything you can do with the Allo connection? I want to use my phone system directly from here. And let's just prompt it away. So as you can see, we have a nice list of a bunch of stuff that we can do with this connection. And as you will see, it's not just fetching data, getting information history, seeing your contacts, seeing your Allo CRM, taking a look at past conversations, analytics, crunching data, and all of that stuff, but it's also really an agent where it's performing actions on your behalf. It's maybe sending SMS messages to your contacts, it's tagging conversations, it's marking conversations as read, unread, as archived, it's managing your phone system for you. It's listing tags, it's creating summary templates. So pretty much every action that you can do on your phone system, Claude can as well. And it doesn't really have to end with Allo at all. If you have, let's say, another CRM or another tool that also has as an MCP connection with Claude, you can also connect that. And with simple natural language prompts, combine your whole tech stack all together. You can ask it to fetch numbers from your CRM and create a call list or a power dialing queue that's automatically pushed to Allo. So all your work is being done automatically. You're combining all of your different tools into one. So you can elaborate that into more advanced workflows with more complex connections that maybe iterate and run every single day. Maybe you're gathering insights every morning and then you're reporting to your team, or maybe you're just at the end of the day just want to see how you performed and stuff like this. So you're connecting your MCP with Allo, with I don't know, Zapier, with Slack, you're pushing notifications to your team based on your performance. So really anything that you can think about, you can do with just this. So nothing more to add from my side. Really, just pick options from here and just let your imagination be the limit. Start using it, start experimenting, and let me know how it works in the comments below. Thanks for watching.